basically kind of just like winging it today because I wasn't planning on filming right now. But I'm getting sick. Well, let me tell you this. I think I'm gonna try the new LA Girl. I think this is new Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. Oh my god, I'm gonna struggle today, I think. Face primer, I just got these. There's like 4 or 5 of them. I have a green one here, but I don't need that. That's for redness. I have this yellow one, so I'm just gonna try this one. I don't think I've tried any of LA Girl's primers before, so whoa. That's a lot, but it's like coming out of the thing. I don't see it really did anything, but it feels good. For foundation, I'm going to use this one again. It's the Derma Blend Flawless Creator Liquid Pigment Drops. Because I really, if you watched my last video, or the video I had reviewing this, I really liked it. I will say though that I did notice, yesterday I wore it and I did notice like around my smile lines, I did notice a little bit of creasing, but to be fair, I was outside and it was like 100 degrees, so, and I was wearing it for a long time, so I still really like this foundation. So anyways, I wasn't planning on filming today, but I'm getting sick. Like today is the first day that it like hit me that I'm getting sick. I figured I would try to film something today because I get sick. I tend to be sick for a long time. I'm just hoping it doesn't get any worse. And even more so, I'm hoping that I don't get my daughter sick. She's with me like every second of the day, so I'm pretty sure it's only a matter of time. And I really hope not. Oh, I do actually have a new concealer. I just have like a bunch of stuff right here that I've gotten. That's new that I've gotten. So I'm just gonna try to work with what I got here, try stuff out. Here I have the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And this is in light 14. I hope this is my color. It looks really light. I don't even think I've seen reviews on this. It's a little light. This one's a little light. It did look like it got a little darker after I put it on. Holy crap, I think it dries fast. I feel like it dries a little fast.
A little update, I did notice that one side of my eye got really cakey with this concealer. I'm going to have to try it again because I'm not sure why just one side got it and the other one didn't. So I'm going to try this one again.
Kind of got like a little bit of a pink undertone to it. I'm going to set that with the Laura Mercier translucent. Oh, you know what? Oh, crap. Oh. I'm setting that with that, but I have the Colourpop translucent powder. Scratch that. I'm gonna try my other eye with the Colourpop. So it's the No Filter setting powder from Colourpop. Goes on nice. So see how well it sets.
First step I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and I'm taking Urban Decay's primer potion, and I'm just going to apply that all over to prevent any creasing. And I'm just blending this out, and this is with a Zoeva brush. The palette that I'm going to use is Yes Please from Colourpop. I actually, first time trying it, really liked it. It was pretty pigmented. It blended out really nicely. I took the yellow color, the yellow matte color first as a transition shade. I really love a yellow and orange background, so I put that on, and then the next color that I'm going to use is one of the orange shades, and I'm just going to apply that into a little bit further into my crease, but trying not to cover up too much of that yellow. And I'm using a Sigma E25 blending brush to do this. And then I'm going to take the darkest color from the palette. It's a really rich matte brown color. I really liked this color. And I'm putting that in the outer corner and the inner corner for that halo effect. And this is also a Sigma E25 blending brush. And then I'm going to take, what am I doing next? Oh, my lower lash line, I just used the orange transition shade that I used in the beginning. I'm just blending that out on the bottom. And then I'm taking the shimmery orange shadow and applying that into the center of my eye. This wasn't as pigmented as I would have liked it to be, but it worked pretty well. And then for my inner corner, I added the like goldish shimmery shade. I'm sorry, I don't have the names with me.
I'm going to use the Makeup Geek Sun-Kissed Fair Skin Bronzer that has been loved. Oh, I hate being sick. Ain't nobody got time to be sick. And if my baby gets sick, oh my gosh, it's like, still can't do anything. I'm so hungry right now too. It's like, even when I'm sick, I'm hungry. When I get sick, I'm still hungry. You know, like most people get sick, they don't really eat a lot. Like, I'm still hungry when I'm sick. I still want to eat. I don't want to eat just like soup. I want food. For blush, I have a new one that I haven't tried, and it's the Hot Mama Shadow Blush from the Balm. I'm so hungry right now. It looks really pretty. It's like a shimmery pinkish peachy color. I shouldn't even do pink right now. I'm just thinking about it, like my eyes are kind of like, orangey, and I'm going with a pink blush. That's not really the best idea, but oh well, whatever. I just wanted to try this blush. It's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of Orgasm from NARS. I also have a blush palette from Colourpop, and it is called This Is For You highlighter palette. I'm probably gonna mix these two right here, which is Morning After and Glad You Came. First, I'm gonna use this, which is a Prep and Set and Glow spray from Iconic London. So it kind of looks like this at first, and then it's so pretty. This thing is really pretty, and it smells so good. It smells really good. So I'm gonna spray this all over first. Mine is leaking. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. And I just mixed the two with my beauty blender. I'm just like mixing the two. All right, I'm just gonna go with what I always use. I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in 600 Anywhere Caffeine, and then I'm gonna use Time Los Angeles Macchiato lipstick. There is a discount code. I don't know if it's still active for Time Los Angeles, so you can check their website. This doesn't have a link. There'll be a link.